I've been dying to get myself some new wigs. So I went all out and I got myself not one, not two, but three. Three. And the first wig that we're going to be unboxing together is called Mila from It's a Wig. So here it is straight out the packet. It is a bob, and the colour that I have is the LX2733, and this is what the stock card looks like. So a quick summary, the card says that the laced part can be split to blend in your own hair. Okay. It has 3 combs, 1, 2, 1 at the back, so it's pretty standard. Elasticated drawstring, the lace passing just here. The lace is French lace, so it's hard lace, not soft lace. If you're wearing a wig grip, it won't matter too much. Apart from the actual deep lace part, which is curved, just around the edge, got just enough lace there to create a natural hairline, but not really to part anywhere else. So before I cut the lace, I'm just going to check out if there is any shedding. About 10 strands in all, so that's really good. So initially I'm just checking for size, and it's a really nice fit actually. It's nice and snug. I would say it's big head friendly because I have a big head, and if it fits me it should generally fit others. I like the flow of this hair already. This is going to be a zhuzhing wig. You could go with a look like this. I think this will look good on me. I'm going to put a pin in there. I like it. I think the thing I love the most is the way the colours come into it, because if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know I love, but when I say I love a peeping blonde, and this LX2733 just has this wonderful blend of colours. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. Let me just do a 360. Here's the parting up close. It's cute. I like short bobs, and I think that this one is a classic. Now it's my next wig. Oh. Stay tuned. Oh, while you're waiting, don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. And also to give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Click here to watch the next video.